Hi guys, in just few minutes, let me show you how I was able to make this in December 2024. That's 24th of December 2024, right? And also this on the same 24th of December. And then this, which was my Christmas baby, okay? So, and the first slide, if you go back, is £2. The second was £5. And then the third was £5. So if we want to go and check the Nigerian exchange rate right now, pounds is around 8,900 naira. So imagine making this amount of money in just 2 days. You guys, that was a lot. Maybe not too much, but that was something quite reasonable to make my December a dirty December. Okay, so just in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I was able to do it. I'm going to be revealing the website that helped me make that amount in 2 days. Okay, and all I want from you, all that you need to do is just to watch this video till the end and see exactly how I was able to do it and apply the same while you are doing yours, and apply the same so that you can simply get the same results. So without further ado, let us get right into the video. So guys, let us get into it real quick. So what you are going to be doing first is to head over to your Google Chrome or whatever that you use to download your applications, and then you just type free cash. Look at it over here. You go to the search bar and then you type free cash. The moment you do that, you're going to be seeing something like this, install. Then you can go ahead and install the application on your phone. If you do not want to install the app, you can use it through the website. I'm using mine through the website, and you can see that I am having seamless connection and all of that. It is easy to download and it is easy to access. Okay guys, so you will do that. Then the moment you are done, you're going to install. When you install the application on your phone, the next thing you're going to be doing is to do the basics, which is the registration, the regular registration. You sign in with your email address. They're going to be sending you an OTP. Then you take the OTP, you add it. You know, guys, how we do all of these things. You just do that, and then this is the interface you are going to have at the end of the day. This is my profile. And first and foremost, the moment you sign in successfully, you're going to be given 0.15 cents, and that's like thank you reward. That's like them saying, oh, thank you for signing up with free cash. Okay, so the moment you do that, you're going to be seeing this your 0.15 reflected here, and then you click on this sign up here, right? So that you can also have this interface that I am having. So guys, disclaimer, I don't know, some of you are really good with this whole online stuff. I would beg you not to, I'll say do not open multiple accounts, especially on one phone. Okay, so if you feel like you want to open multiple accounts, personally, some of these platforms, I open multiple accounts so that I can earn more. Okay, but sometimes I do not, especially if I'm going to be using that one particular phone. Okay, so this is another phone and this is a new account. If you look down, you're going to be seeing these three horizontal lines down below. You click on it, you're going to be seeing the leaderboard. Let me quickly just explain these things. I know that some of us know it, but for the benefit of those that do not, let me just do a quick explanation. So this is what the leaderboard looks like. The leaderboard is like people that have topped in, using the app in terms of doing surveys, playing games, and doing every other thing in the app to earn. Okay, so that's like the leaderboard, and then the monthly whatever, that's not really important, but just so that you don't go and be wondering what the leaderboard is all about. So I just felt like I should explain. This is your profile, which we have already seen before now, and this is also the affiliate, like where you can use their link and then you get more people and also get more reward. Okay, so if you want to leverage on the affiliate, all you need to do is to go ahead and click on your link. You copy this your link and you share it on your social media platform, and then whatever the person you invited is earning, you're going to be making 5% of all their earnings. So if they make $50, you are going to be getting $5 as your commission. Okay, that's for some of us that love, to do extra and all of that. So you can go through their affiliate program and see if it is something that you really want to get into. There is something that they do, they call it 7-day streak. So if you come online every day on this particular website and then you sign up daily, all you need to do is the moment you come online, you just click, okay, it will show that, oh, you are here, you came here today, right? And then you're going to be claiming. So you see that there's a countdown already. So the moment it gets to 0, I'll be expected, that's after like 18 hours, I'll be expected to claim my 0.03. So at the end of 7 days, I am expected to make $1 just for coming onto the app every day or onto the website every day. I'm expected to make $1. Okay, so that is that. Now let us get right into the survey parts, the things that you need to do and all. So when you come down here again, you're going to be seeing cash out, you're going to be seeing earn, you're going to see my offers, and then you will see reward. So go to where you have earn, you click on it, so that a couple of things that you need to do on this website to earn money is going to pop up, so that you can choose which is perfect and better for you. So there are a lot of them. We have featured offers. Okay, guys, we have featured offers, offer partners, we have survey partners. You're seeing all these offers. Normally, featured offers are usually about gaming, right? So for some of us that love to play game, you can come on here and just see how you can navigate it and what is required for you to play this game so that you can earn from it. I'm not a gaming girly, so I do not do too much of games. So for the games folks, you can come over here. This particular part is for you. The next one is actually the featured surveys, which is the one that I am interested in, and I know that some of us also want that. So you can just click on all, and then we also have surveys partners. So you can come over here, click on this BitLabs, and then you see different surveys from BitLabs. You can come over to CPX in Brain AI, Coolfish. You're going to be seeing different surveys, and then Prime surveys, which is like my favorite if you're an old G on this channel. Okay, I prefer surveys, so let us look at this survey and see what we can do out of it. Do not forget, before you take any survey, I like you to look at the time that they've speculated that the survey will take. The time duration for that survey was just 4 minutes. Just 4 minutes. So guys, look at this. What is your job title, level, or responsibility? So you can come over here. Don't forget, I've always emphasized in my videos that whenever you're setting up your profile, set it up in such a way that you are not a newbie. Set it up in such a way that clients will always want to hire you to take their surveys. Advertisers will always want to hire you to take their surveys. So basically, I always love to go for either the vice president or the director or manager, but this time I'm going to go for manager right here in this survey. So if you want me to do another video on how to answer these survey questions, just let me know, and I'm going to do a full video on how to answer these survey questions for you so that you do not make mistakes, and the tactics, the tricks, and what they expect you to answer while you are taking the surveys. If you want that kind of video, you just tell me in the comment section, and I am going to be at your service creating that video basically for you. So let me give you a quick trick to know where to take your surveys from. Have you seen that these have all 5 stars? These all have all 5 stars. So whenever you want to take surveys, ensure that they have at least 4 stars. So let us go to TimeWall. TimeWall is like one of my favorite places of taking surveys. Okay, these two rocks too, they try as well, but let us go to TimeWall. All right, so you continue, click on get started. When you click on get started, if you do not have an account with TimeWall, all you need to do is just to sign up. It is very simple. You sign up, and then you can just take surveys from TimeWall, and then whatever you earn is definitely going to be reflecting on your dashboard on here, then you can cash out your money at any time that you want. So to be able to get your money, of course, you already know that you will be needing a PayPal account. I mean, how you want to cash out, you just click on cash out here. You already know that you're going to be needing a PayPal account. Okay, guys, so redeem your free cash earnings directly to PayPal, Amazon, Bitcoin, and more. So if you do not have Amazon gift card, you can use your PayPal. If you do not have a PayPal account, you can use your crypto to receive your money, which is, very, very fair. Okay, guys, very, very fair. So that is all that you need. And of course, to get one of these crypto accounts, maybe like Binance, it's not difficult, right? It is not difficult. So it is something that you can do. Let me know your thoughts about this video. If you want me to do a full-blown video on how to answer these survey questions right on this particular website, you let me know so that I can do a full video on that, showing you how you can answer each question accurately, so that at the end of the day you can get your earnings. Just let me know. But that is going to be all for this video. I just wanted to show you that you can still make money online. I hope you got value, and I hope that you are definitely going to try this particular website out. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you're yet to subscribe, please go ahead, hit the red subscribe button. It's no longer red. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Also turn on your bell notification. Do well to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.